Yeah. Yo, check it out. Look, trapped in the room, seeing nothing but marijuana smoke. Go ahead and take another toke pot. Hit for life, so you know I like green better than I like white, like the snow. Bay Area soul, ghetto fights everywhere you go. TNT inside of my rhyme, so you know this shit gotta blow. Get the mic, then I gotta blow out your mind. Get so fucking high, I be asking myself what the fuck is big for that motherfucker. This always hard to find. Only with gangsta rapper press rewind, cause I gotta listen to this shit all day. And only funny if I know that later I'ma get paid. My flow is the combination of drugs mixed with a little bit of propane, including fire to it, cause you know it gotta blow up. 420, so I gotta roll up. It's only me and my family, ain't nobody fucking down for you, and that shit is a reality. All I wanna do is rap and get money, smoke weed and look for a Playboy bunny. You know the type that you see in the magazines, smoking Monday through Friday, making it the entire week. And Saturday and Sunday, fuck it, I do the same. A middle finger to the 5-0, cause this motherfuckers are always quick to blame. If it wasn't for your uniform, I'd be with the cartels chopping up your heads. Yo, and I ain't even done though. I just wanna move dope shit all around like we said the Blanco. Starting from nothing to something, the real definition of a chapo. Sniff, sniff, some of that Blanco. Walking down the street, calling me, it's a marijuana. Fucking bullshit, had me stressing all day. I remember them days where after school I would roll up a J with the homies, ghetto pot head, so I would kick it with anybody that had weed on the daily basis. And always had to watch my back, cause motherfuckers always have two faces. Yo, and real talk, you never know which one they're going to show. Lungs full of smoke, living day to day, but doesn't mean I'ma act stupid and get locked up away. But if you hurt my family, fuck it, I'll do the time with a smile on my face. Feeling no regret, living life like if it's a race. But hold up, cause the Grim Reaper is the only one they wanna chase. Anybody for the hell of it, step to the mic and they gotta bring hell to it. This ain't rap, this is weed, alcohol and cocaine. So I guess it's music too, is the pain. Yeah, it's on the lock. He's bad.